Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, let's come back to the discussion for subtraction in fraction. Okay, I hope that you have completed your homework. Okay, please complete your homework first before you watch this video. Then check your answers. Okay, you can check your answers as we discuss the exercise. Okay, please subscribe to this channel so that you get update every time I come out with a new video. Like this video, share it with your friend. Okay, for subtraction in fraction, and you have to give the answer in simplest form. So first thing, you make sure that your denominator are the same. Your bottom number, pastikan nombor bawah dia sama dulu, baru tolak. So 3 minus 1 is 2. The bottom number is 5. Okay, question B. Nombor bawah dah sama, baru tolak. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bottom number remains 7. Question C. 8. Okay, bottom numbers are the same. Nombor bawah sama. Baru tolak. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. So the top is even number, nombor genap. Bottom is odd number. So they are in the simplest form. Okay, bottom numbers are all 10. Top number 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. This is odd number. This is even number. So they are in the simplest form. Okay, 4 and 2. So usually the smaller number follows the big number. Nombor yang kecil tukar ke yang besar. How do you change from 2 to 4? You times 2. Darab 2 supaya dia jadi 4. Bawah darab 2, atas pun darab 2. So it becomes 3 over 4 minus 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, then you minus 3 minus 2 is 1. The bottom remains. Okay, question F. 9 and 5. Now 5 cannot change to 9. So you can times each other. That means 9, you have to times 5. Okay, you times your friend. Okay, you times your partner. 9 times 5. So 5 times 9. Okay, yang 9 darab 5, yang 5 darab 9. So dia saling mendarab. Okay, saling mendarab untuk mendapatkan nombor yang sama. So the bottom times 5, the top also times 5. Bawah darab 9, atas pun darab 9. Okay, 9 times 5, 45. 5 times 5, 25. The second one, 5 times 9, 45. 1 times 9, 9. Okay, now the bottom are the same. Okay, nombor bawah dah sama. So sekarang baru tolak. 25 minus 9 is 16. Okay, so is this the bottom? Is this the simplest? Is this in the simplest form? Dah pecahan termudah? I think so. 16 you only can divide 4, but 45 you cannot divide 4. 45 you can divide 5 or 9 or 15. 16 you cannot divide 5, you cannot divide 9, you cannot divide 15. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, G, 7 and 3. Okay, usually 3 you can change to 7, but 7 is not in sifir 3. 7 tidak berada dalam sifir 3. So you have to times each other. Saling mendarab. So 7 you have to times 3, while 3 you have to times 7. Okay, that's how it goes. So 7 you have to times 3, 3 you have to times 7. You times each other. Okay. So the bottom times 3, the top also times 3. The bottom times 7, the top also times 7. 7 times 3, 21. 6 times 3, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 2 times 7, 14. Okay, now the bottom are the same. They are both 21. 18 minus 14 is 4. Okay, so can you simplify? No, right? This is even number, this is odd number. So they are already in the simplest form. So tak boleh pemudahkan lagi. You only can divide 4 here, but 21 is not is not in severe form. Okay, last one. J, 3 minus, okay, this one 3 you can change to 9 because 9 and 3 they are in severe 3. So 3 boleh tukar ke 9 sebab dia dua-dua berada di severe 3. So darab 3, 3 times 3 is 9, right? Bawah darab 3, atas pun darab 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. Then the rest you just copy. Okay, sekarang bawah semua 9. Boleh tolak. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 per 9. But this one you can still simplify. Sebab ni dua-dua severe 3. So pemudahkan dengan bahagi 3. Sebab severe 3, so bahagi 3. 3 divide 3 is 1. 9 divide 3 is 3. So the final answer is 1 over 3. Okay, let's move on. Okay, next one is addition and subtraction. So you have addition and subtraction in fraction, but the concept are the same. You just have to make sure that the bottom numbers are the same. Pastikan nombor bawah dia sama. Okay, so bila dia dah sama, bawah dia kekal 5, atas dia 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, if you look at the diagram, 2 over 3, so this is 2 over 3. And then you plus, 2 over 5. This is 2 over 5. And then you plus 3 over 5. Okay, you plus 1, 2, 3, 3 over 5. And then you take away 1 over 5. So what is left here is 4 over 5. Okay, so the concept is the same. We just plus and you just minus. So make sure the bottom numbers are the same. Okay, second one is also the same. Now 8, 8, 4. So make sure you change to 8 first. Yang ni boleh ikut yang besar. Sebab dia severe 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then you have to times 2 above. So it becomes 7 over 8. Oh, I don't have, it's already here, right? 7 over 8 minus 3 over 8. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So it becomes 6 over 8. And then this one you have to simplify because they are in severe 2. Dia berada dalam severe 2. So kena bahagi 2. So 6 divide 2 is 3. 8 divide 2 is 4. So this is your final answer. Okay, this is an interesting question here. What is the mistake in this calculation? 0 over 7. There's no 0 in a fraction. Okay, tiada kosong dalam okay, so the problem here is 6 minus 2. You should take 6 minus 2 first, then only you plus 4. Okay, this person here, he plus first, so it becomes 6 minus 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4, and then 4 plus 4 is 8. So it should be 8 over 7, and then change to proper fraction. Okay, one more example. 5, 10, and 2. So this one you can change to 10. Tukar kepada nombor yang besar. So 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Bottom times 5, top times 5. Bottom times 2, top times 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. The middle one you just copy. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5. So now they are all the same, dah sama. So 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. So you get 6 over 10. And then you have to simplify, permudahkan. Dia berada dalam sifir 2. So kena bahagi 2. So 6 bagi 2, 3. 10 bagi 2, 5. So 3 over 5. Okay, you can look at this number line over here. 4 over 10 is here. Plus 7 over 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then minus 5 over 10. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 6 over 10. And then you simplify. Pemudahkan dia jadi 3 per 5. Okay, yang lain saya rasa sama saja. Okay, yang ini 6, 3 and 4. Now, nombor yang kecil tak boleh nak tukar ke besar sebab 4 tak boleh nak tukar ke 6. So this one you have to do, you have to list down the multiples. Senaraikan sifir dia. So 6, 3, 4 senaraikan. 6, 3, 4. So senaraikan sifir. 1 times 3, 3, 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 3, 12. 1 times 4, 4, 2 times 4, 8, 3 times 4, 12. 1 kali 6, 6. 2 kali 6, 12. Cari nombor yang muncul di ketiga-tiga sifir. So, tukar kepada nombor itu, iaitu 12. So, 6 you have to times 2 to become 12. 3 you have to times 4 to become 12. 4 you have to times 3 to become 12. Bawah darab 2, atas darab 2. Bawah atas darab nombor yang sama. So 6 times 2, 12, 5 times 2, 10, 3 times 4, 12, 2 times 4, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 3 times 3, 9. And then when the bottom are the same, awak boleh tolak tambah. 10 minus 8 is 2, 2 plus 9 is 11. So ini nombor termudah sebab ini ganjil, ini genap. Okay, tak ada masalah ya? So, alright, your exercise. So, this is your exercise for today. So, you have to plus, and then you have to minus. Question 1, A until F, and then question 2. Okay, you can do this in your MT1 or MT2. Okay, pause the video. Copy the questions, do it in your exercise, and then we'll discuss the answers in the next video. Okay, make sure you do your homework. That's all for today. Goodbye.